Hey everyone, JT here. We've reached the end of our journey together, and I want to take a moment to congratulate you for taking this crucial step towards realizing your entrepreneurial dreams. Remember, when we started, I told you that entrepreneurship is like embarking on this exciting adventure. While we explored the map, packed our bags, and now it's time to set off on your own expedition. So let's recap some of the key takeaways from our journey. First, the entrepreneurial mindset. We started by cultivating the right mindset, embracing our mission, and understanding our customers' needs. We learned to tune out the naysayers and focus on your vision. Then we talked about planning your business. We moved into that planning phase, validating your idea with the restaurant test, creating a roadmap for success with a solid business plan, and understanding our maximum profitability potential. Launching and growing your business, right? Finally, we took the leap and we launched our business, avoiding the paralysis by analysis. And don't forget, aim high. We explore essential marketing and sales strategies to attract customers and build relationships. We discuss how to scale our business for the long-term success and by building strong teams, creating efficient systems, and staying adaptable. Now, I know starting a business can be daunting. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But remember, you're not alone. There's a community of entrepreneurs out there who have been through it all. Connect with them, learn from their experience, and support each other on this journey. Embrace the journey of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is not about just the destination, it's about the journey itself. Enjoy the process, learn from your mistakes, and celebrate your success. Never give up on your dreams. The path to entrepreneurship might be winding, but with perseverance, passion, and a strong belief in yourself, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Now, here's a call to action for you. Join our community. Connect with other entrepreneurs, share your experiences, and get support on your journey. And never stop learning and growing. Read books, attend workshops, and seek out mentors to expand your knowledge and your skills. And take action. Don't just dream about it. Do it. Take that first step, launch your business, and make your mark on the world. I believe in you, and I'm excited to see what you create. Your entrepreneur journey begins now.